Hello guys, today I'm going to cover up demonstrations of how to take a full backup and what all benefits. Before moving to demonstrating a full backup, I will give you some summary about the full backup, what is the use and all. SQL Server full backup is a base for any kind of a backup. A full backup task creates a complete copy which saves all database content regardless of how and when it was been saved before. With full backup, you will easily restore a database in exactly the same form it was at the time of backup. It will recover your data by the time of disaster, whether it was internal or external hardware or system crash or something. Anything goes down, you can easily recover with the help of full backup. And full backup will help you to refresh and for testing in a QA or staging environment. It will help you up to get complete copy. Taking a full backup, we needs back database name, and we have to specify database location. So here I have already prepared the script backup. We just need to put backup database name to disk and specify the disk location. So here I have already prepared the script. Just I'm going to execute here, and I have executed. Now it is in running state. So you can see almost 50% is done, and here now it's been almost completed a full backup. Thank you so much for watching. Well made on next chapter.